Good morning, afternoon. That's what's been acting up, so I'm gonna show you how to replace the valve in it. Yeah, I'll show you. Toilet. Didn't need to hold that anywhere, did I? Toilet fill valve. Making noise. First thing you need to do, find your supply line. There ain't much light here, but it comes out of the rod down at the bottom. Make sure you turn it off. Then you want to drain all the water out of your tank. Yep. Okay, you want to make sure you get all your water out. At least you got some down in there, a couple of inches. You got two methods. You either can get a dry wet vac, a hold of it, or you can put your little bucket underneath the line and have your towel put down there also to get it. Well, this knob connects to the valve here in the commode. I'm going to remove this by taking the supply water line off. I'm probably going to do this with both hands and show you what it looks like when I get done. Yeah. See you here in a little bit. Alrighty. Get the supply line off. Taking that off the underneath it. Make sure my bucket's underneath there. Got my towel ready. I'll plug this from the side here. Come off with it. I'll get that one. Everything don't want to come loose. Pull this up. Let the water just drain in the bucket. Down there. That's over on top of that lid. Oh my goodness, almost overflowed. More in there than I thought. We're fixing to take this new one. Open her up. Pour her out. Don't look much different than the other one did. All we gotta do is install this baby in there. New rings in it. Here's a new nut to lock it down. So our water tube, go to our thing here, we'll replace the tube and everything. And we'll be ready to go. Now we'll try to get all this water out of this bucket down there without spilling it in the floor. Oh man, oh man. What kind of fun. Alrighty. Even though I held the flush knob down, all the water I cut out, look at that. That's almost a quarter way full. Trash can. Bathroom trash can is. Okay, got your new one here. What you gotta do is put it in that hole. Check the water spout comes out here. There, make sure when you flush it, everything will line up just right. It does. What we gotta do now is got a lock nut on the bottom of the tank. And then hook up the supply line to it. Hook our new water tube in. Turn the supply water back on and it should be going. I'm about to turn this camera off for a few minutes. Get it up. I've already checked it, and the height is just right. On this top right here, you can twist it to raise the height up or down. This one I looked at and it came factory to the correct height, so that's another thing you gotta check. Get this hooked up and I'll show you how it operates in just a few minutes. Alright folks, we got the mechanism hooked up, the toilet valve, known as the fill valve, put in place, tightened up on the bottom, water supply line hooked up, hose ran over to the fill tube, and turn it on. Let's fill up. Got filling up. I fill up with the Lowe tank right here. Don't fill no leaks. That's good. Fill where the supply line fills into the fill valve. And I fill no leaks. That's good. All we gotta do is let it fill on up. Like our fine-tune adjustments here on the water height. Once you get that down, just put the lid on there. Instead of paying a plumber $80 just to come in and put this in about 5 to 10 minutes. Plus someone charge you mileage from come to your house from another job site. So look very anywhere between $80 to $135 just to put a fill valve in. That you can do yourself. Go buy one for around $10, $20 at Lowe's or Ace. Come home, 5 minutes later you get it put in. Everything runs fine. $10 versus $100 to $135. I do the $10 one every day. I hope this helps someone out. I appreciate y'all watching my videos. Thank you. God bless you.